Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices settings. In them, scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. Now select device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Bunny. When you finished, click on OK and then select OK in device name pop-up. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!